Hello guys and welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to backtest the best scalping trading strategy for beginners. The strategy is again from TradingLab. The last strategy I tested from this channel didn't perform very well, but maybe this one will perform better. And it claims that the strategy works on almost all time frames and all markets. And let's talk about the basic conditions. This strategy um, works on engulfing candle. An engulfing candle is when you want to take a long position and you have to match these two criteria. So the first one, you have a red candle. The second one is that the next candle must be green and this body must be bigger than the previous one. And this strategy has also another criteria, and it is that the RSI must be above 50. He uses a risk to reward ratio of 2, and basically it's all. Today we are going to backtest it on on gold and the 5-minute time frame. So I have already wrote the basic conditions and these are some of the trades my software have taken. So for example, here we have failed trades and let's take a look at this one. The signal to open a long trade was generated at this daytime. So let's take a look on TradingView. So the candle was here. We have an engulfing candle. The RSI is above 50. So let's open the long position, and in this case was fail. Let's take a look at another trade. In this case was a success and the signal was generated at this daytime. So it's the position was opened here. In this case, it was a success. The position was closed at this daytime, and as we can see, my software also tells me that the daytime is correct. Um, if you want more details on how this strategy works, check this video. I will leave the link in the bio. Next, let's see how this strategy performs with the basic conditions on the 5-minute time frame and on gold. So let's run the strategy and let's wait. So let's take a look at the results. As we can see, the um, we would have lost some money and the average success rate is below 33.3. That is the average success rate to break even. So yeah, basically this strategy doesn't work on gold at on the 5-minute time frame. But let's try to improve this strategy. So I have already downloaded all the trades in my software book, and yeah, let's try with some statistic techniques to improve the strategy. Also, the strategy with just the basic conditions doesn't work, so it doesn't make sense to improve a strategy that doesn't work. But let's try anyway. And yeah, I tried with to check if there was at least one MACD crossover in the previous candles, and from this histogram I can see that if you check if there is at least one MACD crossover at the 10 candles before the signal before the engulfing candle, um, you would have been profitable. And yeah, the average success rate would be 0.3 uh, 34, so 34%. But the confidence interval doesn't go past 33.3. So the strategy is profitable with this condition, but not statistically profitable. So uh, I wouldn't say that this strategy is profitable anyway. Anyway, I have also tried with the EMA 50 to check if the candle before the candles before the engulfing candle was above were above the EMA 50, changing the interval to check, but again the average success rate um, was not so better. So the only filter I would add is this one. So check if there is at least one MACD crossover. So let's add this filter and let's see how it performs. So let me uncomment this line and let me add this condition. So let's run again the strategy and let's see how it performs. Okay, uh, I have forgotten to say that I'm only taking the long positions because if you would have taken short positions, the strategy performs really bad, so don't try it. And as we can see, our average success rate is 34.53, and it is the same we have found by checking by with the statistic techniques, and we have the Gaussian distribution of the average success rate that doesn't go past 33.3% of average success rate, but balance is positive, so you would have been profitable on the data set train. So, and now let's try on the dataset test, so the recent one trades, and let's see how it performs. Surprisingly, this strategy performs better on the dataset test, where there are data that my software never seen and I didn't analyze, but it's normal because the average success rate is in the confidence interval I have found before, and yeah, you would have been profitable in the last trade. So yeah, so I would say that the strategy is profitable, but not statistically profitable, and yeah, I don't think it's one of the best strategy you can try, and we have already found better strategy in the past videos. So if you haven't seen past videos, I suggest you to do it. And yeah, the strategy again didn't work from TradingLab. Didn't work, maybe only on gold. um, I would like him to show sometimes some data to back it up. His strategies. He says that they work almost on each time frame on each market, but show some data to back it up, not just trades. That's not enough. And yeah, for today is all. Uh, I remember you, these are not financial advices. It's not only math. It's just for entertainment purpose. This strategy may not perform like in the past and the future. So pay attention and leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done yet. And see you in the next video. Bye.